In this video, I'll guide you through how to blog on Squarespace. Whether you're starting fresh or integrating a blog into your existing site, this tutorial will help you create a beautiful and functional blog in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account and open your site. If you haven't already created a Squarespace account, make sure to do that first. Once you're logged in, you'll see your site's dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu. Click on Website and then select Pages. This is where you'll manage all the pages within your site. Now, scroll down a bit and you'll find two sections, Main Navigation and Not Linked. The Main Navigation section contains pages that are visible in your site's header, making them easily accessible to visitors. Meanwhile, the Not Linked section houses pages that are hidden from the header menu but can still be accessed through direct links. Depending on how you want your blog to appear, choose the appropriate section. For a blog that visitors can easily find, the Main Navigation section is your best bet. Once you've decided where your blog will live, click the plus icon, which resembles a small plus sign. This will allow you to add a new page. A menu will pop up with different types of pages you can add. Here, you'll want to select Blog under the Collections menu. Squarespace refers to blogs as collections, which makes sense because your blog will be a collection of posts. Next, you'll choose a pre-designed layout template for your blog. Squarespace offers a variety of templates, so take a moment to browse through them and select one that aligns with your aesthetic. Remember, this isn't set in stone. You can easily change the layout, fonts, and grid style later if you want to experiment or update the look of your blog. After selecting your template, it's time to give your blog page a clean and memorable name. This will appear in the navigation menu if you've placed your blog under Main Navigation, so choose something concise and reflective of your blog's content or theme. And there you have it. You now have a blog set up on your Squarespace site. From here, you can start adding posts, customizing your layout further, and even integrating features like social share buttons or comments to engage with your audience. Blogging on Squarespace is designed to be straightforward, so don't hesitate to explore the features and make your blog uniquely yours. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Squarespace's support resources are incredibly helpful, so be sure to check them out. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.